Let's see this first question. The coefficient of x power 4 in the polynomial x minus 1 whole cube, x minus 2 whole cube is equal to. The given options are 30, 21, minus 3 and 33. See, this is a simple question. X minus 1 whole cube, x minus 2 whole cube. If you know the formula of a minus b whole cube, then you can easily solve this question. So a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. So first I will expand this one. So this is x minus 1 whole cube. So this is a and b is 1 and a is x. So this is nothing but x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. Now similarly I will expand x minus 2 whole cube. Again this a is x and b is 2. So this is x cube minus 3x square. We have b 2 plus 3x and this is 2 square minus 2 cube. This is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So this is 12x minus 2 cube is 8. So now we will take this to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. X cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. Okay. So now they are asking only coefficient of x power 4. So if they are asking only x power 4, then see here, if I multiply x cube with 12x, I get x to the power of 4. So this is x into 12x is 12x power 4. So this is plus. And here we have 3x square and we have 6x square. If I multiply these two, I will get power 4. So this is 6 3s are 18, minus into minus is plus. So this is 18x power 4. And again we have 3x here. And if I multiply this 3x with x cube, I will get x to the power of 4. So this is nothing but plus 3x to the power of 4. So which is equal to 33 x power 4. So the coefficient is 33 here. So it's simple. In exam, if you don't get any idea, you can expand this, right? So I can write x minus 1 whole cube. I don't know what is the formula of a minus b whole cube. Then I can solve this question like this. X minus 1 whole square. Again, this comes to be the same. See here, x minus 1. Similarly, this is a minus b whole square. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is equal to x cube plus x minus 2x square minus x square minus 1 plus 2x. Similarly, you can expand x minus 2 whole cube, x minus 2 into x minus 2 whole square. Again, you can expand, this is a minus b whole square. Similarly, again you will get x cube plus 4x minus 4x square minus 2x square minus 8 plus 8x. So again you will get the same form, this one and this one, and again you need to multiply. You need only x to the power of 4 coefficient. So you just find the terms that gives us x to the power of 4. So this is very simple question that is asked for 1 mark. It's a free 1 mark question. Okay. So the answer is 33. Let's go for the second question. Let's read this question. You are delaying the completion of the task. Send dash contributions at the earliest. This question was asked for 1 mark. So it's very simple question. You are delaying the completion of the task. Send your contribution at the earliest. It cannot be your, it cannot be your, it cannot be this one. So all these 3 options are eliminated. So your right answer is your. Again, this is free 1 mark question. This is a very simple question that is asked in the GATE Aerospace paper. Now let's go for the third question. Let's read this third question. References dash guidelines implement. We know that guidelines are to be implemented. Guidelines are to be implemented. Similarly, references are to be cited. Okay. reference are to be cited. So the right answer is cite. It is not cite, it is not plagiarize, it is not cite. Okay. So reference are to be cited, guidelines are to be implemented, or we can say we always hear that regulations are implemented and references are cited. Okay. So the right answer is cite. Again, this is the free 1 mark question. This is also very simple question. So first 3 questions of aptitude are very simple and each one carries 1 mark. Now let's go for the next question. Most of the students are saying that this question is tough, but according to me, this question is not tough. See, you need to understand and visualize this question. The question is very simple and this question is asked for 1 mark. See, if this question is tough, definitely they would have asked this for 2 marks. This is a simple question you need to imagine, that's it, okay? Which of the following shapes can be used to tile a flat plane extended to infinity in all directions? What is the condition given without leaving empty spaces in between them? So identical tiles need to be used, okay, to extend up to infinity and not allowed to overlap, okay? So how can we do this? See, it's very simple. You can use options to find the answer for this particular question. For example, if I take circle, if I take circle here, if I take circle here, and if I take circle here, and if I extend, see, you can clearly see that there is some empty space here. So what is the condition? The first condition is without leaving empty spaces in between them. So circle, it cannot be the answer. Even regular pentagon and regular octagon also, if you draw and if you try to solve this question, you cannot get the answer because these two shapes also gives us empty spaces. So what is the right answer? Right answer is rhombus. So how it is rhombus? Let me explain. So let's visualize this. Okay. So this all needs to be equal, but here I'm not able to do it properly. You can take a scale and you can try this question. You will get neatly. Okay. So let me change the color to feel in 3D. Let's feel it in the 3D. Okay. See here. Can you see here? So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. See here, this shape is rhombus. So if I'm extending to infinity in all directions also, I'm not finding any empty spaces. See here. It's a very simple question. The only thing is you need to imagine. Okay. So this is a rhombus. See, rhombus 1, 2, this is extended up to infinity and there is no empty space in between this. So this is the visualization of this particular question. It's very simple. Okay. And this question is asked for 1 mark. Let's understand this question. This question belongs to allegations and mixtures. So this is very simple question that is asked for 2 marks. And to solve this question, only 1 minute is sufficient. Okay. To construct a wall, sand and cement are mixed in the ratio 3:1. See, whenever they are giving values in ratio, it's very simple to solve. So sand and cement. So they are constructing a wall. So sand and cement are mixed in the ratio 3:1. The cost of the sand and cement are in the ratio of, now they have given the cost of the sand. So what is the cost? Cost of the sand and cement are in the ratio 1:2. Okay. Now what did he give? What did they give? Now what is given in the question? The cost of the sand. Now what is given in the question? Now what is given in the question? If the cost of the sand and the cement Now what is given in the question? If the cost of sand and cement to construct wall is 1000 rupees, then what is the cost of cement used in rupees? See, let us assume that this is 3 kg and this is 1 kg. So to construct a wall, we need to mix 3 kg of sand with 1 kg of cement. Okay. And what is the cost of sand and cement are in the ratio of 1:2. Okay. Let us assume that this is 3 kg sand and this is 1 kg cement. So for 3 kg, I am considering each kg cost is 1 rupee. And for cement, 1 kg cost is 2 rupees. So for 3 kgs, it is how much? 3, right? So for 2 kgs, how many rupees? It is 2. So this is nothing but total cost, right? This is total cost. So for 3 kg, if 1 kg cost is 1 rupee, for 3 kg it is 3 rupees. So for 1 kg cement it is 2 rupees. So I have written directly 2. So what is this total? This is the ratio of total cost of sand and cement. Okay. But in the question, they already gave the value. The cost of sand and cement to construct the wall is 1000 rupees. So can I write that this total 3:2 is nothing but 1000 rupees, na? 1000 rupees. So I can write 5 parts. This is 3 and this is 2. So 5 parts equal to 1000 rupees. So 1 part equal to 1000 by 5, which is equal to 200. Now see, the cost of sand is 3 parts. The cost of cement is 2 parts. So we got 1 part equal to 200. So this cement 2 parts is nothing but 200 into 2, which is equal to 400 rupees. And similarly, if they ask for sand, then it is 3 parts. It will be 600 rupees. So this is very easy question, and it is asked for 2 marks. So simply they are giving 2 marks. So that is the reason I am telling that this year aptitude paper was very easy, and we didn't get the data of paragraph and one statement and conclusion question, but remaining all questions are very simple, and it's like easiest paper that I have ever seen in aptitude. This is the easiest paper. Now let's read this question. This is also asked for 2 marks, and it's very simple. This question belongs to mirror image, spatial ability. Okay. A line divides figure into 2 parts in a way that each part is mirror image. So we can see that there is a symmetry line drawn at from P to Q and M to N. So the question is 16 unit squares are arranged as shown in the figure. What is the minimum number of squares that must be colored black such that PQ and MN forms lines of symmetry? Okay. So we know that symmetry means if I take PQ symmetry, whatever we see in this side, this part, it should be same here. And if we take symmetry about M and N, so whatever we see at this on the top surface of this line, this should be same. Okay. Now we will see. Now we will try to first we will try to take symmetry about P and Q. Then we will go for M and N. Okay. So first, so if I want this complete boxes to be symmetry about P and Q, so I need to draw one box here. Okay. And I have here, and this should be here. So 2. Okay. So here I have one black block box. So here it should be 3. So what is the question? What is the minimum number of squares that must be colored black such that PQ and MN forms the line of symmetry? So here see, if I take symmetry about P and Q, so I need to color this one box and second box and third box, so that you can see that these 2 are symmetry, and this one is symmetry, and this one and this one is symmetry. So our first condition satisfied. Now let's see symmetry about M and N. See here, we have these 2 are symmetry. These 2 are in symmetry, no problem. So here, this is not symmetry here. Okay. And here also we have a block, because to make symmetry about PQ, we have taken this third block. So here there should be one more colored block, right? So I can say that these two are symmetry. Now this two needs to be symmetry. This is already symmetry, and here I need to have one more block. So I can write here this is fourth block and this is fifth block. So I need minimum 5 number of squares that must be colored black such that P, Q and Mn forms the line of symmetry. So this is also very simple question that is asked for 2 marks. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Let us understand this question. PQRS is a parallelogram with PS equal to 7, PS equal to 7 centimeters, PT equal to 4 centimeters, PV equal to 5 centimeters. What is the length of RS? So they are asking what is the length of this RS. So let us consider this as X. See, this question can be solved in many ways. Okay. So it depends upon individual how they are solving this question. So this is again the simple question that is asked for 2 marks. So they are freely giving the marks. So this angle is 90 here. So this angle is also 90. So we know that area of the parallelogram is base into height. Base into height. Okay. So if I take this PS and this is my base and this is height. So if I want to take area equal to PS into T. So if I want to find area with this base, so this is my height, right? So area equal to RS into PV. So now this is PT, sorry, PT and PS. So this PS already we have data, that is 7 times. So what is PT? We have 4 here. So what is RX? We don't know what is RX, that is equal to X into what is PV? 5. So we know that we can calculate area by this or we can calculate area by this. So these two are nothing but equal. So we can equate this to find what is X value. So this is 7 into 4 which is equal to X into 5. So this gives us 28 by 5. So X value equal to 28 by 5. Again, this is one of the simple question that is asked. Okay. Just with one formula, you can find the solution to this problem. And there is another way also to solve this question, that is by using similar triangles. So here we can see this is one triangle and this is second triangle. These two are similar triangles. Okay. So in this triangle, see, I will explain here in detail. So this is first triangle. So let us take PQT. Okay. So if this is theta, so we know that this is opposite and this is hypothesis. So sine theta equal to opposite by hypothesis. So what is opposite here? Opposite is 4. And we know that this, if I consider this side, we know that in parallelogram this side and this side are equal and this side and this side are equal. So this is also 7 here. So if I want to find this value as X, I don't know what is the value of PQ. So this will be also equal to X here. So hypothesis is X. So now I got sine theta equal to 4 by X. Now similarly, you can see here, this is my angle theta. So this is my opposite and this is my hypothesis. Okay. Now again from this triangle 2, so second triangle, from the second triangle, I can write sine theta equal to opposite. Opposite is 5 and hypothesis 7. Now these two are similar triangles. I can equate these two, right? So this is 4 by X which is equal to 5 by 7. Again this is equal to 7 times of 4 which is equal to 28 by 5 which is equal to X. So the right answer for this particular question is 28 by 5. Okay. You can solve this in another ways also. There are 2 other methods also where we can find solution for this. But these 2 are simple ways of solving this question. Okay. So that's all about aptitude. We got overall 7 questions. So remaining 3 questions or 2 questions are of paragraph, I guess. So we didn't get data of those questions. Once the response sheet is out, we'll come with the entire solution. So one question is paragraph related to Sri Lankan government, and second one is statement and conclusion question, and third one, no update about this question. So once this entire paper is out, we can come up with the entire detailed solutions, okay, for the remaining questions also. So overall review about the aptitude is, it's very easy. This year paper was very easy, like considering these 7 questions. So thank you.